Now in this video we're going to learn the common factors between the three numbers. In previous video we had learned how to find the common factors of two numbers, and now in three numbers what happens. Let's see. Suppose I have any three numbers. Let me suppose I have 10, I have 20, and I have suppose 35. Okay, I have three numbers now, and I need to find out the common factors of this 10, 20, and 35. Okay, so first what I will do, I will write the factors of 10, and then I'll write the factors of 20, and then I'll write the factors of 35. So to find out the factors of 10, I've already given you the method, like how you'll get the 10. You'll get like 1 times 10, you'll get 10. Another one, 2 times 5, you'll get 10. Is there any other means to get the 10 as a product of two numbers? No way. So our factors of 10 are these are our factors of 10. Our factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and then 10. 5 and then 10. Alright, so the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and then 10. Now similarly we need to find out the factors of 20. So 20 will get, when we multiply 1 times 20, and 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Is there any other means? I don't think so. Yeah, so these are our factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and then 20. So factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 4 first. Let me write 4, 5, and then 10, and then 20. Similarly now 35. So factors of 35. To find out the factors of 35, again we need to think the numbers which gives us 35. So first one is 1 times 35, then another one 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5. 5 times 7, 35. Is there any other things that you can get 35? No, there is no other way. So these are our factors of 35: 1, 5, 7, and 35. So 1, 5, 7, and 35. So now the question is asking us, what are the common factors? So here our common factors are those factors which are in 10 also, which are in 20 also, which are in 35 also. So first I'm getting here 1. 1 is common in all, in 10, 20, and 35. Similarly 2, not here, just 2 are in only these two, not in 3, not in third one. Okay, so it should be common in all three, like here 2 is in the 10 and it's in 20, but not in 35, so we cannot select this 20. It should be common in all the three. Now the 5, here is 5. Oh wow, good. Here is also 5, here is also 5. So yes, 5 is in all the three sections, so 5 is our next common factors. Another one, 10, he's here, here is also 10, but here is not, and 35 no. So we have our common factors. Now we got the common factors, that is 1 and the 5. Just these two are the common factors between 10, 20, and 35. Similarly you can find out the common factors in bigger numbers also. We'll be doing in next video a little bit more bigger problem I will try to take, and hope that will give you more concept. Catch you in the next video. Goodbye.